Today we help you how to install Visual Studio Code. We used Brave browser to download Visual Studio Code. We will go to the Visual Studio Code website. It can be used in different operating systems such as Mac OS, Windows, or Linux. We will install it in the Windows operating system. Visual Studio Code can be used to mark code in all programming languages such as Java, Python, PHP, Go, etc. Now we will go to do the installation, clicking it. We will accept the terms and conditions and click Next. Select the folder where we want to save the data and click Next. Again, Next. You can create desktop icon, Next, and finally install. Clicked Finish. And now it's installed. This is what Visual Studio Code looks like. This is the extension part. We can install different extensions depending on what we will use it for. Material Icon Theme is used for placing icons in files of different programming languages. Then we have extensions for different programming languages starting from HTML, JavaScript, PHP, Python, etc. To install it, we have to click Install. Can also be used to connect to GitHub. We can say that it is among the best and most advanced editors. The best way to use Visual Studio Code is to create a folder and create files inside the folder. We are creating an HTML file. And we are marking some code inside the file. To see it in the web code that we have noted, we also need to install live server extensions. When we click Go Live, the file will open in the browser. Don't forget to subscribe for the next more interesting videos. See you in the next videos.